Hey friends, this is Atif Hope here. Well, and welcome to the new update on Stellar Coin. Stellar has broken out this resistance of the triangle that I was showing you in my previous video, and at the same time it has re-entered the same falling wedge pattern that was in the previous week that was broken down. And in today's video we will take a look at the next expected move of Stellar. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. And I'm also covering the different altcoins here, which are possibly going to start big bullish reversal moves after this market crash by forming different bullish reversal setups. So let's start the analysis, and first of all, let me begin with this 4-hour time frame chart. And here we were watching that Stellar formed this ascending triangle, and here we had a fake out to the downside, and finally we have broken out the resistance of this triangle. And you can see that we were testing the support more than the resistance. That was another indication that we can break down this triangle, but finally we have broken out rather than breaking down the triangle. Now if we take a look at the target for this breakout, then our expected target is here at 14 cents, and before that we have a very strong resistance here in the short term that is at 13.5 cents. And you can see previously here on 7th of June it has been breaking as a support here on 2nd of June, and before that as a resistance, as a support, and almost as support here as well. Therefore it can again work as a strong resistance for the price line. But after breaking out this triangle, I'm expecting that soon it can break out this resistance, because you can see that it is showing us, the target is showing us a projection beyond this resistance of the triangle. Now if we take a look at the this weekly time frame chart, then this was the falling wedge pattern. And in the last week I was telling you that even though we are moved below the support of the falling wedge, but here we have a very big double bottom formation, and Stellar has been doing this previously as well. Like when we had this drop, we slightly moved up, again we dropped again here, and we formed a double bottom here. We moved up, rejected by the resistance of this wedge, again it dropped here, slightly moved up, again dropped here below the support of the wedge, and formed a double bottom here, and we had another rally. And this rally was, by the way, from this low to this high, more than 121%. Now here once again we dropped after this rejection, we formed this double bottom here, and we had another rally, and after this rejection we again dropped, we slightly moved up, re-entered the wedge, again dropped, and formed another double bottom here. And now this time the resistance of the wedge is at 15.2 cents, and above 15.2 cents we also have another very strong resistance at 16.2 cents as well. And this resistance has been working as a support here, and almost as a support here as well. And before that here it was working as a resistance on this weekly time frame in 2019. And before that it worked as a support here, almost as a support here as well. Therefore it can work as a strong resistance. Now target for this breakout from this falling wedge is here at the top of the wedge. Once we will have the breakout, that will be approximately at 75 cents. Before that we have to break out a lot of resistances. Like we need to break out this resistance of the wedge, we need to break out this 6.2 cents. We also need to break out this resistance in the short term, that is at 13.5 cents. But I'm quite optimistic after receiving this buying signal by the stochastic oscillator. You can see that the blue line has crossed up the orange line on this weekly time frame, and especially after giving a bullish divergence signal, we can see that price line form lower than previous low here. And recently you can see that stochastic form higher low than previous low. So there was a bullish divergence on this chart, like we had the chart on the Zelica, the bullish divergence on the Zelica's chart, and Zelica broke out the resistance of the wedge, same as like that. Not as that much powerful bullish divergence like we had at the Zelicos chart, but we have it. In fact, we have a bullish divergence on this weekly time frame chart of Stellar Coin, and you can see that MACD has started turning bullish once again, and soon it can also give us the bull cross from this very extreme oversold value. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.